Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheetal Nanavati. Today I am going to talk about a book that is much needed for expecting parents, or a book which is much needed during pregnancy. So the name of the book is Virtue Story Book, which is written by Dr. Nikita Sopti. She is an obs-gynae and she has written this book with an aim to make mothers feel more peaceful, happy and loving. So what are virtues? Virtues are nothing but the morals that creates a character. It is love, peace, harmony, power, bliss, etc. etc. So this book consists of 40 different stories which are in form of virtues. You can find 40 different virtues in this book. So in the beginning, the author has mentioned all the instructions or given all the instructions as in how you can use this book. You can use this book by reading one story one day or according to your convenience. So there is no any particular restriction or time according to the author. So but the best time to read this book is the rest time or during or before going to bed. So let me show you how the story looks like in this book. I will show you the first story of this book, that is the virtue of peace. So this is the story which is followed by the moral. After moral, the activity for family section you can see in the bottom. So this activity for family section is nothing but the meditation part. So the parents can do some meditations and make themselves and their baby feel more virtuous. They can create a positive and virtuous atmosphere for their baby after doing this meditation activity. After this, you can have or you can see the feel and whisper with your baby section. So this is nothing but the affirmations. So the parents can read these affirmations clearly and slowly so that it will have more impact on the baby. The baby can take in more positivity after listening to these affirmations. And in the end, how you can or how the parent can implement this particular virtue in their life. So this is given. This story, as I have shown you the story, you can see the story page. It includes the pictures as well, and it is more colorful with beautiful colors, bright colors. So which makes this book more interesting, as in I can read this book multiple times because of the entire look and feel. Okay, so this, as I said in the beginning, this book is designed for would-be parents, but if any of the teachers wish to impart basic morals, values and these virtues in their students, they can also use it in a more interesting and virtuous way. So this book, I bought it from Amazon website. It is of hardcover and I bought it at 1299 rupees. So Dr. Nikita Sopti has also written two more books which are related to the similar topic, which is about bonding and having a conversation with the baby in the womb. So I have mentioned all these 3 books link in the description so that you will be able to find these books easily and you can buy it from there. You can also share about this book with the parents so that they can pass on this wisdom to their children and they as well as make themselves more wiser. So do let me know if you liked my video. Please press on the like button, and if you have any suggestions, any feedback related to this topic, do write it in the comment and I will definitely reply to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and happy parenting.